Assalamu alaikum food lovers, welcome back to our channel. Today we have a mouth-watering recipe called Chicken Jalfrezi. This dish is all about the perfect blend of spices and flavors. It's quick, easy and incredibly delicious. So let's get cooking. Add around 1 tablespoon of oil in a pan over medium heat. Now crack 2 eggs in it and scramble them for a bit. Like this. Now crush some black pepper, around 1 teaspoon. And take it out in a separate bowl. Add 1 tablespoon of oil. Now add your veggies. I'm using capsicum, onion and tomato. Stir fry them just for 2 to 3 minutes and then take it out in a separate bowl. Now in the same pan, add 400 grams of boneless chicken cubes. Stir fry them for 2 to 3 minutes and then add soya sauce, 3 tablespoons. 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce, 1 tablespoon of vinegar, and around 2 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste. Add a little bit of water. And close the lid and let it cook for around 5 to 6 minutes. Now add your spices: 1 tablespoon of coriander powder, 1 tablespoon of red chili powder, 1 tablespoon of turmeric powder, 1 tablespoon of garlic powder, oregano 1 teaspoon, sugar 1 tablespoon, and add 3 tablespoons of ketchup. And 2 to 3 drops of soya sauce. Mix it properly. And now add 50 grams of butter. Stir it a little. Now add around 1 teaspoon of chicken powder and let it cook for around 2 to 3 minutes. And it's time to add your veggies and scrambled eggs. Now we'll add our stir-fried veggies and scrambled eggs. Mix all these gently into one perfect dish. And guys, please don't be shocked for my last ingredient. And it's a little bit of desi ghee. It's totally optional. I'm just using it for a little bit of desi touch. And sizzle your jalfrezi for a bit. And there you have it, chicken jalfrezi. The flavors are absolutely incredible. Spicy chicken and pair perfectly with the honey-topped fried rice, creating a harmonious balance. Just look at this vibrant and aromatic chicken jalfrezi, a spicy, flavorful, and incredibly satisfying dish that's sure to please your friends and family and your taste buds. If you enjoy this recipe, don't forget to give us a like, subscribe, and share to High on Food for more upcoming delicious recipes. Thank you so much for joining us today, and we'll see you in the next video. Till then, take care. Allah Hafiz.